Assalamualaikum guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you the training of the Goku with Mr. Popo and the coming the sanctuary of the guardian of the earth called Mr. Kami. The Goku training continues and the Mr. Popo taught the Goku about the martial art. Goku must learn new skills and tricks about his training and control his fear against the enemy and himself. Through this reason, Mr. Popo has to send Goku through other places. Mr. Popo has the teleporting machine that teleport person to another place in 1 second so the person can move faster. Mr. Popo sent Goku to the mountain rumble place. It is the first test of the Goku. Mr. Popo told the Goku how to use his all senses in battle, and the use is not to focus his eyes but focus his strength and struggle to enemy to take it down. He must use all his senses against an enemy, not uses his eye but focus all his senses on the fight. So this time he took up into the action. The Goku climb up on the mountain rumble and wear a crown that Queen and Clone can wear on his head. When the Goku wear the crown, he tightened around his head and the thunderstorm coming up on the hill and hitting the throne. The person who has wear the crown has the lightning attack on himself. The Goku has this test. He must move fast than lightning to dodge the lightning attack. To dodge the lightning attack, he must use all his senses. On the first, the Goku was not clearly past this test. He was hit pretty damaged through the thunder, lightning, and pretty badly hurt. Then a girl grabbed the Goku and take his in the house and for the 2 or 3 days. Then he realized that the little girl and his bird has a phenomena. He must hear the bird's voice. Then the bird come with him. He thought that this phenomena is applying on the mounting flash. He must dodge the lightning because of hearing. The Goku was past this test. The next test Mr. Popo sent to the secret of the wood. The Mr. Popo sent in the woods to search for the new tricks and skills. Here Goku find a good-looking family. The family treated Goku very well and welcome in his house. The Goku ate his wishes very hungrily. Everyone surprised of eating of the Goku. On the next day, the Goku going to the fishing for his old man. The old man taught the Goku how to catch the fish. He must focus on the fish. When the fish was coming, he must not be able to move. So the fish can sense the stress feeling and not fetch the string. So the Goku must be calmed down. When the fish did not send the stress signal, the fish grabbed the string and the fish is trapped in his tent. This phenomena was applying on the fighting skills, move fasting the lightning and clear his mind during the fighting.